Nice. Okay, cool.
Oh man. All right. All right. All right. All right. Let's see. I'm just sick of this range. You know what? Actually, it's fucked up to say. It made me feel good. I love the guy, and I feel bad he lost this much money, but it actually doesn't matter big picture because he's crushing it always. You know how hard September was? Obviously, you saw me get my ass kicked. I saw a lot of other people get their ass kicked, but you know who the one of the biggest and the best who also got their
Umar.
ass kicked is Umar. Yeah, you saw
Yeah, he
that.
lost like 1.4 million.
1.4 million, dude. He lost
Yeah,
1.4 million. So I'm
yeah.
here over here fucking beating myself up for being down 10K on my live account. I'm like, this guy lost $1.4 million.
I mean, he's made a deca million. You know, he's definitely made 10 plus $1 million from trading. And granted, that's not good. 1.4 million in 1 month is insane. That's
It is. It
absolutely
is. Yeah, it
that
is.
he's definitely, I mean, but he's admitted to it. He said, hey, I tilted a few times, and if you have millions of dollars, your tilt looks different. So
Your
that's
tilt
just
looks way different, bro. Yeah. But
yeah.
again, it just like it made me even me 6 years in the game. Like Umar's got 10 plus years of experience, 11, 12 years of experience, and still he can, he admits it. He's like, yeah, sometimes I fuck up, He's like, and I went on tilt a little bit, screwed up, and he's like, it was a hard month, and I'm like, all right, well, you know what? I don't feel as bad anymore. And again, like perspective wise, like this month was actually if I actually added up how much I made in swing trading this month
Mhm.
with everything, it was like this is like the fucking best month I've ever had in my life. And I'm like, but it doesn't feel like it because I just got my ass handed to me trading futures in front of everyone here on YouTube. So I'm like, it's just a weird thing. It's a weird feeling. But
Yeah.
it's all good. We just continue forward. Again, whatever happens with this live account, it is what it is. The beauty of props is you can just keep trading new accounts if it comes down to it. So obviously, we want to do the right thing, but it's just life, dude. You go through real drawdowns and real accounts, shit's gonna happen. So
Yeah, my swings are looking good. So I doubled down on MicroStrategy last night and it gapped up $10
nice,
this morning.
nice.
Um, so yeah, and then I got
Killer.
my GE puts and TTD. Well, I got three swings and one leap. So that TTD leap, I'm holding that for a year.
Okay, yeah, that's right.
Mhm.
I do like
I'm thinking about making oh, I'm sorry, go ahead.
no, sorry. I have a level here, near term volume point of control at 826s, 29s. So I want to see if we get some sort of reaction here. I honestly might try the short to go back lower. We're coming to the level right now. So we'll see.
Mhm.
I know it's
We
early.
are. We are consolidating on the higher time frame too, like one between 1 hour and daily.
Yeah.
So just keep that in mind that this could be a decent, unless we break out, which we could, this could be a decent day. This could be a decent day for a sweep and go,
Yeah,
unless we
exactly.
break out.
That's what I'm looking for right here. Like, I'd love to see this sweep right here and then fail. I don't know if we're going to get it, though. Let's see. We're getting a decent pump here. First of the month, money coming in. Might not work.
It's the first of the month. Wake up, wake up.
Mm-hmm.
Well, rent is due. I paid
I'm going to
mine
try it.
last night.
I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it.
Throw
I'm going to try
yourself
it.
up there.
I'm going to
What
try
are
it.
you trying? Let me see it. Where are
I'm
you going?
trying it. I'm trying it. I'm in.
Oh, the
I'm
short.
in. I'm in the short. I'm in the short. Top ticked for the whole day, all the way back down to 700s. That'd be really aggressive. I don't know if that's going to happen, but we'll see. I'm actually not risking much at all on this. I don't think. I'm risking $130. Wow, that's a great small amount of risk. I want to add to it.
Order filled.
Let's do it. Let's fucking do it. Stop sell. Stop buy. No. Stop buy. Yes. Now it's $300 a risk. Sell more. Let's keep selling. Man, look at them buy that up, dude. Just right away. cuckolded.
Boxes.
Mm. They really bought that dip there.
I did end up taking a trade yesterday after we got off. My setup formed.
Nice. There you go. That's good. Yeah, there was some stuff a little bit later yesterday that seemed to work out pretty well. This is just fucking not giving me anything, dude. It just like here's your level, one attempt, initially looks good, no follow through. Boom. Shut down. Wrecked. Unfortunately. But yeah, it's like I swear, just like the market's out to get me, bro. That's how I feel. I literally feel like it. Every setup that I normally take that
Order
works,
filled.
it's just like nah, we're not. It's just it's not gonna happen. You're not getting it. And I'm like, okay.
Mm. What was the? I mean, me personally, like, what was the entry here? I didn't really see it. Like, what was the? Show me the play.
Overshoot rejection, dude. This 2-minute bar initially was nice and red. I know we didn't have a full closure of it, but honestly, it was one of those where I was trying to basically top tick this. That's what I was looking for just now. It was right into my level. Big picture, I liked this near-term volume point of control structure-wise. Right back into the level, testing it. I also liked this. This is a little silly, but I did like this. I did see it. It was like a rejection, basically, of this also, of this little trend line here. I was like, oh, it's kind of decent. It's not bad. It's a confluence area to try. Again, I feel like it still could work here, but I just tried it once. I shouldn't have added until I had more follow through. But it is what it is. I don't care. I'm honestly just so fucking over this live account at this point. I feel like I just want to YOLO it today. I'm just completely over it.
This is a thorn. This is a thorn in my side.
Well, here, you go for it. Put yourself up on the big screen there, buddy.
Okay.
While I fucking figure out what I'm going to do on the back end here.
Trade it carefully.
Yeah. Apple 258. Let's go. Still holding those runners on the leaps.
Let's go.
Still holding the runners on those leaps, baby. Ooh, Alex is back trading. I feel so great. I love to hear that, man. Awesome. Welcome back.
I know, right? That's my guy.
I love that, man. Love that for you, bro.
My guy, Alejandro.
Welcome back, my friend. Welcome back, my friend.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Mm-hmm. Damn, we're going.
I know, dude. This tape is just so fucking strong.
She's a runner. She's a track star.
She's a runner. She's a track star. Let's see. They're definitely bidding it up, dude. Trying to, at least.
Yeah, this shit's going. She's a goer.
She's a goer. She's a goer.
She's definitely a goer.
She is a goer, my friend. It's pretty strong tape. Pretty strong tape here.
I might get out of these GE puts for 15%.
I don't blame you for that.
Just call it.
G's dog shit. I would not want to swing trade that thing.
I've been in it since the 23rd. I'm up 15% right now. I was hoping that it would go a tad bit lower. Like I thought it was going to go to at least 286. It made
Mhm.
it to 289 and then bounced back.
Hmm.
But it made it to 289. It was like $3 away.
Hmm.
And I'm hoping like they don't expire until January, so I have time. But I'm probably just going to end up selling it. If I can get a decent push, I'll get rid of it.
Yeah.
Welcome back, welcome back.
Here's the sell a little bit. Nope, they bid it right back up.
Welcome back, welcome back.
They bid it right back up.
What's good, Alex, my guy? You saw him and Derek went to the game together? That was cool.
Yeah, that was sick. That was super dope. I love to see
Yeah.
that. That made me warm and fuzzy inside.
They look. I told them they look good together.
Let's pause.
No.
No. No.
J Bulls morning, gents. Let's see if we get a trending day today. Feeling bullish. I can get and hold above 664. I don't even like trending days anymore. I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't even like trending days no more, bro. He said we talk about dollar value, but what was that 1.4 million as a percentage of his account? That's what I was saying. But you gotta understand too, Jay, like for example, I know Steven Ducks does this, I know Umar does this, but they have a restart balance. Like once they finish a quarter or finish like a year, like say for example, they'll give themselves $100,000 and then they'll run it up to like 1 million by the end of the year. They'll take out like $900,000 and restart at $100,000. You know what I'm saying? So like as far as return percentage, I'm pretty sure this is nothing. Maybe. I mean, because if you think about it, like if you make $10 million off the market, 1.4, that's still like 14%. Like that's still pretty aggressive, right?
Yeah.
But I think return wise, he's good. But as far as account percentage, if he's still doing the whole little reset thing, then that's probably a steep turn.
Yeah.
Morning, Drew. I'm gonna say K. Morning, K. Christine. I like Christine. Christine can trade, bro. Christine can trade, bro. Like her trades be looking so smooth.
She's good at taking feedback and responding to it. That's what Christine's good at too.
Yeah, news is here, Gabby. Gabby's right. News at 10 a.m. We got ISM manufacturing PMI. J Bulls, give us a pullback for long entries. Yeah, probably. I just, I'm at a point where, and I've spoken about this before. Like, I just don't really have a bias, honestly. I don't have like, I'm just good, bro. Like, I just need to check off the boxes to my system, and I feel like I've just like disconnected from the market. Really, like, I really don't care where it goes, what it does, as long as I check off my boxes. I'm just letting it play, bro. I really don't care. It's after a while you just get tired.
That's where I'm at. With trading
yeah.
futures right now this past month, I'm so tired of it, bro. I'm just like, I'm just tired of the action, dude. The action, just we get zero follow through on fucking anything, and then like, it's just like it's all just a mess, dude. It's honestly been fucking terrible. I hate it. Like I'm really over trading futures right now. It's just not fun. That's when you know it's not good. I'm not having fun anymore, man. Not having fun anymore.
Microsoft, MicroStrategy is at 5%. This shit is. Let's go. This shit's going.
A little rejection here, not bad. Watch 599, lots of rejection there in the queues. Yeah.
I'm at 80% return. I'm about to. Once I get to like, I don't know. Let me look at the charts. Let me look at the charts. Look at the charts.
Let's see.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait till it gets to what is this? This is 358.
Yeah, Christine, I know. It's like that's the cool part about making money trading options and futures. It's like, you get money coming in from both. And that's the thing with trading. You don't need to just be a one-hit wonder, like one craft. It's like that's why I love that I got profitable trading options initially, and then like kind of just like stopped trading them for a bit, learned futures, became profitable trading futures.
Mhm.
Now I can trade both. And
Yeah,
just some
the way,
are better than the others. It's like,
yeah, and the way that I think about it in terms, I kind of think about it in terms of wealth, right? Like you have different types of like income, right? So you got like you have, of course, you have like income, right? So that's like the rental income, the dividends, the interest, right? So that's going to strike like monthly. So then that's like your covered calls. That's your selling options, right? That's the income, and then you have the equity. That's like the equity on your house over time, and that's like long-term holds, leaps, investing. And then you have like the risky plays or the cash intensive ones that's like day trading. So
yeah.
I'm just going to hit all three with the market, bro. Like I'm not about to really diversify until I'm like a millionaire. I'm not really about to buy real estate like that.
Yeah, I feel you on that.
Yeah.
I think for me, like, I was telling my brother yesterday about this because he's like, I want to buy a house. He's like, it's just really expensive here in California. And I'm like, don't buy a house yet until like you're real. Because he's like, I feel like I'm throwing away money with renting. The whole throwing away money with renting argument, I'm like, if your mortgage is going to be like 4 times your fucking normal rent, and it's like you're locked in all your cash into the house, it's like I don't think it's a good investment, like personally.
I've actually had this debate for years, and I've had people actually argue me down when I say this, but homes that you live in, they are not assets. They may be your children's asset, like a generational wealth, but you as a buyer, you as the person, that's not an asset because because people like to make it be like, oh, the equity, and if you sell it, like, no, hold on. Let's talk about
Hold
everything.
on.
Let's talk about everything. Let's talk about because
Yeah.
like if you have 100, like say for example, you buy a house for $100,000, right? And let's say, and this is being generous. Like this rarely happens. But let's say in 30 years, when your mortgage is paid, it is now worth $200,000, 100% return on investment, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So 30 years times 12, that's 12 months. So 30 times 12, that's 360 divided by 100,000, right? So 100,000, because that's the profit, divided by 360. That's $277 per month over 30 years. That's how much you technically got paid. And $277 a month, that's not shit. Like it's not shit, bro. Like the maintenance, right?
Yeah.
The maintenance, the unfortunate events, maybe taking out a
Yeah.
loan against your house, like $277. That's not, no,
Yeah.
bro. No. If you put $277 a month in the market, oh, I didn't even know you were in.
Yep. Fuck everyone. Let's see if I actually get
Yeah.
TP here. Look at this fucking push down, dude. Insane. Watch me get edged. Right into liquidity. I think this falls to 700, dude. The way this is going. Look at this push. Holy shit. Look at this fucking push, dude. Should I take it all? I'm gonna take it all.
Order filled.
Fuck it. I'm gonna take it all. I want the W.
Damn.
Look at that. I'm green. Everyone talks shit on me. See, this was a good idea, dude. I was just too early on it. Again, really good. Decent idea. A little too early. A little more patience next time. But I'm really happy.
Yeah.
I just and took that. Okay, sorry. Back to what you were saying. That was a really nice push, and I got all excited. So
No, you're good. Yeah, I'm just saying that it just $277 a month. It isn't. That's not it. It's
it's
just
not
not it.
generous. Yeah, it's like you're not making shit from something like that. But it's like, oh, but I own a house. Isn't that cool? It's like, well,
Yeah, like it's vanity.
yeah,
So, I mean, unless, and that's the thing, like, that's why I showed that Bitcoin standard. We'll show that pyramid. So, it showed the pyramid, like, it was like saving Bitcoin,
mhm,
speculation, and then like investments, right? I
yeah,
mean, sorry, saving Bitcoin, investments, speculation, and then you got this little box that's completely away from the wealth building, right? And that's
yeah,
house. So,
yeah,
like, I just wouldn't even consider a house being, it's just something I have to pay, like insurance. Like, I just don't even expect a return on it. It's just, the
yeah,
cost of living, right? Like,
yeah.
so I, yeah,
I agree. Me, I agree with that. That's what I was trying to tell my brother. I was like, dude, it just like it doesn't make sense unless you have an insane amount of money in the bank to buy something in California.
exactly.
I was like, bro, because he's about to hit like his first $100,000 in the bank, and I'm like, that's great. Like, it's like I'm fucking super stoked for him. I was like, but in California, that's gonna get you a fucking dirt shack, dude, and then you're gonna have all
Yeah,
your money tied up in that. It's not gonna work.
facts. And who's
So,
telling us? And think about it. Who is telling us to buy real estate? A bunch of boomers. Like that's not the age no more. That's not the
exactly,
era. That
exactly.
shit's played out. Like the whole that these are the same people that would tell us to invest in bonds.
Yep. It's like now with the internet
Like,
too. It's like we have the ability. I was talking to my girlfriend about this actually. Like, growing up, at least I was for me, growing up with like boomer parents or whatever, they're fucking like they just don't understand like the like new cool things and like what's all hip. And I'm like, I'm on TikTok, bro. I'll keep up with all those trends. My kids try to throw some shit on me. I'll be like, I got you. Start
mhm,
dishing out the new like bullshit. I'm like, because it just takes a little bit of effort to kind of know what's going on with the younger generation. You just gotta open up TikTok and see a few fucking trending things, and you're like, okay, I get it. Versus back in the day, parents like, oh, it's just how we do it. It's how we do it. It's what's going on with
yeah,
this, what's going on with that. It's like, no. Also in the
the
chat,
blind leading the
thank
blind.
you, Kay. Thank you, Christine. It's nice to get a little bit of encouragement. I appreciate it. Everyone else, other people, most people give me encouragement here too. I let some of these like randoms fucking get to my head sometimes. But anyways, just for the sake of my mental health, watch this, guys. Look at that. Locked out, $800, green on the day. No one can take away my bad day. That's it. No one can take it from me. That's it. I'm taking that $800. That was a really decent short. I was just too early on it, but I took my initial stop and then I got back in. And dude, that was sick. I think I caught almost like 100 points on that shit, which is sick.
Mm,
So, and I was a little shy of getting. I literally got edged by 5 points. Crazy, classic. And I'm
mhm.
glad I just cut it there. It started to stall, started to bounce a little bit. And I'm like, you know what? No, I'm not going to do this over 5 more points. This is like part of the adaptation of like making a change where the market for me hasn't been giving me a lot of, well, for a lot of us, I guess too, but you guys know the way I trade too. We haven't been getting like full sweeps of liquidity like recently. It gets really close or something and then kind of pauses. So, like that's what I was looking for here. I wanted this sweep of liquidity right here at 21s. We got really close and paused. And so like part of the change for me, like really shit I've been writing in my journal and my notes. I'm like, take gains faster. If you're getting close to being edge or something, just fucking take it. Because like I don't want to sit through this. Like right now, sitting through all this pullback, I would have been like, oh my God, are you serious? Oh my God. Like I would have been annoyed. I would have been frustrated. So it's like that's one thing of making a change based on market conditions. Because market conditions are always going to shift. And that's the hard part of trading for all of us is like market conditions shift. We literally have seen the past month and even just, you look at an hourly range right now. Look at this mess. Look at this fucking chop mess. There's not a lot to work with, right? And so it's like, okay, what do I got to do in this scenario? What do I need to change? And be a little bit more conservative on targets. I'm glad that system-wise, my system, you guys know, I do reactions to VWAP, I do reactions to near-term volume point of control, and reactions to key levels. This was near-term volume point of control. This was my setup. So I did take it. So I'm happy with that. I didn't take some random setup. Like I'm grateful for that. I just was too early on my entry, and I need to work on that. It's fine. But once I finally got it and I got the push, I took the gains. So that's that. But thank you, Fit. Shout out, Fit. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Atli. Thank you, Luis. Thank you all. I appreciate you. And it helps. Thank you. Helps me want to show. I honestly, I literally was about to text you this morning, Lawrence. I was just really over it this morning. I just wasn't feeling it. I was like, I don't even want to stream, bro.
I
And then
understand, trust me.
the only thing that changed in my head about that, and I was like, you know what? No, Umar just lost 1.4 million. I'll be fine.
Dang.
like that's what helps.
Damn.
We'll take the $800.
Dude.
Take the $800. Let's throw you up there, see if you can find anything. And
Come to find out, I was like on MES, not NQ, so I got to remark up my charts.
yeah, okay, that's fine. Take your time, no rush. Dom, whole squad gonna eat during Q4. You're damn right, Dom. Let's all fucking eat, bro. Please, 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 please.
Shout out my guy TTE. Shout out Nick.
Yeah, shout out Nick, dude. Shout out Nick indeed. Nick is a G. That's someone who's been doing this shit for a long time.
How long's he been trading?
He's been live streaming, I think, for like 3 or 4 years.
Damn.
Yeah. So he's been at it for a while. Look at them eat the shit back up, dude. Pause. It's like this is why I'm still bullish on this market overall. That's why shorts are still really hard. Because they just fucking want to eat this up, bro. Trap everyone in the range, trap both sides, no follow through, no continuation. Oscar's eating. Took that long. Mark, Ayo, Tanner, and Lawrence, we appreciate you, man. There's always days I don't feel like getting up, and y'all do it religiously for us. Wow, I appreciate that, man. Thank you.
For sure.
Shout out, Mark. We see the real ones in here, the ones that are here every day. So I really do appreciate it.
We'll catch up on some of these because some of these comments are interesting. Drew, I did see this. Man, I'm having one of those internal struggles where it's like I want to trade. My gut tells me it could be a good day, but my brain is sluggish and it's telling me I can't do it. Don't do it, fam. Please don't do it. We got news here in 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. Chris trying to one trade a day for October. Let's go, Chris.
I like that.
Let's go.
I like that.
Let's go. You and me both, brother. Lawrence sounds so resentful. Are you fed up with trading or market conditions?
Probably a little bit of both.
No, I think that I'm just kind of. I would say this. I think that, like I said, I think I just have a different perspective on trading now. Like it's like I said, I think trading has a rat race where it's just like we get obsessed. Like we're not market movers, bro. Like we're just taking a system and doing it over and over and over again, like a casino. Like we're not market movers. I don't care where the market is going. I don't really care what it's going to do. Like I just need to check off all the boxes to the system that gives me an edge, just like a casino does at blackjack, just like it has 0 and 00 on the roulette table, and they just do a million spins. They don't sit here and try to figure out, what demographic is coming to the casino, how much money does each person have, how they're going to spend it, how they're going to divvy up their money, and what way are they going to do it. Like they don't care about none of that shit. Like they just keep the percentage right on the game, and that's what I'm pretty much doing. So I think it's just stressful trying to worry about where the market is doing or where it's going. So I just don't even care. Like I'm just here to check off the boxes. That's it.
I like that too, because I mean this is Lance's whole argument with trading futures is that there's just low expected value from trading them because they always revert to the mean. So it's like, especially conditions like we've seen, like you don't get a lot of follow through and a lot of big moves. So like Lance's whole thing always is like, I'd rather trade something. Damn, news is going wild on this tape right now. His whole thing is like, he'd always rather trade something that just has high expected value. So that's why he's big on like individual names and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And so intraday trading futures, it's just hard. It's just harder. Like honestly, it is just tough because we are going for much smaller moves, and you're not getting any like big catalyst usually. Except obviously we have some days, that do have catalysts here and there, but they're far and few in between. Nice pin to VWAP here. This kind of looks decent for the long. So it's like that's the hard part about trading futures. And when market conditions shift and kind of go sideways, they get even tougher, and they're already hard. And so that's why I really like how we've like started to kind of bring in more of the swing trading here and there on the side, because again, like that shit completely like changed my perspective on a lot of stuff. Like I've been casually like swing trading and like casual day trades on some of the options names here and there. And literally I'm up like almost like 50 grand on that portfolio this year, which isn't like insane amount of money, but I'm like, that's me like literally just practicing that skill. And I'm like, oh, if I practice it even more, I'll be doing 100K or 150K on a swing account. And then payouts wise, when it comes to payouts, I'm like, I'm pretty, I gotta double check, but I'm pretty sure I'm like close to $100,000 in payouts this year already too. So it's like I'm making money in both fucking avenues, but I don't have to like put all my stress on one. And I like that. And so it's like that for me is trading will always be hard. It'll always be hard. There'll always be ways, and there'll be times where it's easy sometimes, but like for the most part, it's hard. And the hard part is just, fucking keeping your head up when you're getting shit on. And that's the other element we have too of coming here on live streaming every day is like, I'm not gonna lie, I got some thick skin, and like sometimes some of the comments get to me, and I'm like, dude, why? This guy's like, anyone taking their time to comment that is like probably really just not doing well. And I know that for a fact, but I'm just still human because I'm like trying to put myself out there. I'm trying to be transparent as fuck as I can and show everyone everything. I don't got a fucking Lambo to flex. I'm not fucking doing any of that shit. I'm just trying to be so transparent. So it's like when I try to be transparent and then I have like fucking a hard month or hard weeks or whatever it is, and then I got people fucking beating me down even more, I'm like, damn, the internet sucks, bro. But then there's the other side of the coin of everyone, all you guys in the fucking chat, Nikki Pips, Alex, all you dudes, Oscar, everyone like that are giving us love. And I'm like, all right, this is what it's, it is good to do that. Sorry, I just went on a fucking rant and a tangent, but sometimes I just got to do it. Taylor, interested in to know, do you have a different entry requirement when it comes to swing trading? Yeah, swing trading is specifically really big on the daily chart and the hour and the weekly chart. If you're not looking at the daily chart and the weekly chart, it really doesn't matter. It's like it really is something where you're trying to hold for multiple days on end, if not weeks or whatever. So yeah. Alex, I just saw your comment here. I send love. Please send me the shirt I ordered. I think, did it not go through yet? Sometimes it takes a minute for that to go through. Let me double check. I'm sorry.
You said I send love, but please send
I
me
said love, but where's my fucking shirt, bro? I don't know. You're right. Hold on. I'll check right now, dude. Let me pull it up.
I got a call with him today. God, this man is hilarious in real life. He's funny in real life, bro. Oh my god. That's just hilarious.
Spread connect.
Please send me the fucking shirt I ordered.
Send the fucking shirt, bro. Come on. Okay. Sorry.
I thought you lived in California, not Florida. Fucking scammer.
Well, the shirt, I'll tell you right now, Alex, the shirt doesn't go through. I don't have a fucking stockpile in my apartment. It gets on demand printed and then it gets sent to you. Let's see. Is this Tanner at Strong Training? There we go. Okay, let's see. Fulfilled. Alex, it says it's sorry to interrupt. Alex, it says it's going to be there October 6th. Sorry, I don't know why this one took so long. This might be a tariff type thing. But I have the tracking number actually for you, Alex. I'm going to give it to you. I'll DM you on the Discord. Where's my fucking shirt? Oh god,
that's funny, yo.
Oh, it's fucking hilarious, dude.
Where's my fucking shit, Tanner?
I love you. Where the fuck's my shirt, bro?
Where's my shit?
Where's my shit? Damn, nice 5-minute bar there. Right back into volume point of control. Can they get through this, or is this going to be a ceiling again? That's going to be the question here.
That's hilarious.
It's pretty good. Dude, you know what I need to work on, bro? Is just like attaching so much of like my cheerfulness on if I take a good trade or not. It's just I'm really bad at that, bro. I've always been bad at that. It's because I put so much pressure on myself to succeed. The classic like fucking story of a man who came from nothing, where you're just like, I need to be successful and create a life for my family. So every time I take a loss, I'm like, I'm terrible.
Yeah, I'm taking 5 steps back.
Even 5 steps back. It's like, no, you're not, dude. Okay.
It's practice. It's a skill.
It is a skill, man. Yeah, and I'm not that good at it, bro. I need to get better. I need to work on it somehow. Like literally, I use actually Monday is a good example. I was green, but I only made $120. Dude, I had such a great day Monday. Great day. Felt so good. Like literally, like because it didn't even matter about the money. It was just like I followed a process, I did what I was supposed to do. And like, yeah, luckily I was green, but like my rest of my day was just so fucking dialed, fluid. I got a bunch of work done, made content. And like for me, it's like I want to show up on social media as much as I can. I don't know. I you know me, like I like showing up on social media. So like I like making videos. I like fucking putting my story out there, like doing that stuff. And when I have a shit trading day, it's like harder for me to have the energy to do it. It really is. And it's like I don't like that. I really don't like that.
Why don't you redefine what green is? Like when you say I'm green on the day, just redefine green. Like try to go for going green, but define it as you following your process.
You're right. You're right. I really should. You know what I could probably do is on my you can change the color of the realized P&L. So maybe what I'll do is when like it's red, it's still green.
Mm-hmm.
And so it's just always green. You know
I actually changed mine to the same color as my candlesticks. Like once I enter my trade, hopefully it gives me an opportunity to enter. You can see it.
Yeah. Okay.
But yeah.
Alex Silva. Sorry, Alex. I'm trying to find your fucking thing. I know we have it's LTP, right? Yeah, here it is. Let's see. All right. Okay, Alex, I just sent you the tracking number on Discord. And it's actually from me, not from fucking. I can't believe they fucking came in and made a fake one of Brian, fake profile for Brian.
He made it.
Brian made it, dude. Is there a fake Lawrence? There has to be fake Lawrence.
There's a lot of them. Well, not on Discord.
Right? Yep.
Not on Discord. I think on Instagram for sure.
Yep. Dom, every loss feels like you're letting down your whole future bloodline and ancestors. Sometimes it does, bro. I feel that, bro.
Yeah.
I feel that, bro. I try to be happy for the ones that aren't here. Oscar, yeah. Jay, it's draining. It is draining. We can't be draining.
It's draining the what? He said the.
No, he did star right here. It's draining. Well, 2 trades, stopped in profit or break even, whatever you want to call it, shutting down for the day. That's fine, bro. It's shut it down, man. These conditions, until we get some real fucking catalyst of a movement, we just got to get out of this trading range, dude, of how it's just been so sideways and slow. I'm sick of these range days on NQ being 100 points. The ATR and NQ is like usually 300 points, bro. It's like crazy nothing. What's been so? Side
I see an
note,
entry for me
you see
right
entry?
now, but I'm not going. I don't like the quality of it, so I might end up missing this move, which is fine. But,
Yeah, I think it's just really hard with near-term volume point of control, literally right here, and this could be the lower high. You know, it looks like they want to take the long, but this is like could be the classic trap setup too. You know, where
Yeah.
it looks really good, and then it's just not it. So, side note, what I was going to say is, I'm excited to see everyone next week, dude. Fucking see your bitch ass. See everyone else, you know, Austin, see a bunch of the people, see a bunch of the fucking strong trading squad. Jay's gonna be there. We got Brian's gonna be there. Fucking who else anyone else coming next week to the seminar, the Tom Hugard seminar in LA? In the comments, anyone? It's gonna be sick. I'm excited to see everyone. I'm excited for the camaraderie, have dinner with everyone, hang out, fucking. It's gonna be sick, man. I love in-person trading events. They're my favorite thing. On a side note, also on top of that, every year we're trying to do multiple trading events, and we're about to announce our next one. So we did do the Tampa one last year, if you guys remember that, with ASFX. We're bringing it back, and we're gonna officially announce it. I think in 2 weeks. I'm giving you guys a little preview, sneak peek. We're going to do it again in Tampa. It was so much fun. It's a blast. I encourage
I thought you
all
said
of
you're
you.
gonna do it in Miami.
No, that's Traders for a Cause.
Oh, that's Trader for a Cause. Yeah,
That's Traders for a Cause. Yeah, different trading event. But the Tampa one, the boot camp, the Futures boot camp, that's going to be a really sick one. So I hope all of you guys come to that. It's going to be well worth it. Again, it's like you get to kick it with all of us. We're all fucking human. We're not robots. You know, we can chill. You'll learn a bunch of shit. You network, you meet a bunch of traders, we'll hang out by the pool, we'll have drinks at the bar. It's gonna be fucking awesome. Christine, if you're not wearing a strong trading shirt, I'm gonna send you a strong trading shirt, and then you should just troll Austin the whole time. So no, Alex, I'm gonna buy you a drink, okay? That's how it's gonna work. All right. I appreciate you, but I'll buy you a drink, my brother. Luis, Tanner, do you have anytime payouts on top 1 or 10 days? I technically have anytime payouts. I could pull some of this money out. Maybe I should. No, I'm gonna keep growing. I'm gonna try to grow this back a little bit. If I can grow this account back to probably like 7 to 8K, I'm gonna look to pull out some cash from it because it's a live account. That's why I have anytime payouts on that. Nikki, Tanner, and Lawrence are a blessing to the world and trading world. Keep being a blessing, brothers. Appreciate you, Nikki. Nikki, I hope
Appreciate
you
it,
come
bro.
to help. You need to come to an in-person event for sure, Nikki. You'll spread all the love. We need that. These events. They're fun. Martin, good morning. Congrats on the fucking payouts, dude. Martin ripping it on his birthday too, bro. Shout out, Martin.
Yeah, he did tell me about that. Yeah.
Yeah, he
That's
just
my guy.
posted it. I think he just posted it yesterday. I'm gonna pull this up super quick. Let's see. Shout out Martin. Martin's birthday. Everyone say happy birthday to Martin. Martin yesterday.
Happy birthday, my guy.
Check this out. Yesterday is my birthday in what a month. Can't believe I closed September like this. From blowing many accounts to taking $12,000 in payouts. This wouldn't be possible without the guidance from Lawrence and Strong Trading. Thanks for the coaching and support. Martin's a one-on-one coaching client. Martin's crushing it. Awesome to see. And happy birthday, bro. I love to see it. I love this little verified payouts channel. Just like everyone's showing like them crushing it. Martin, Rusty here. We got Martin again. We got me up in here. We got 7K from Lawrence here. We got Kyle up in here taking a bunch of payouts. Bunch going. It's killer. So
Yeah.
anyone's interested
made a lot.
Anyone
this
interested in
year.
strong trading, check it out. We'll put the link in here. 7-day free trial. Much love. Much love. Congrats again. Oh my eye.
I can't wait for next year. I
Why?
can't wait for 2026. It was just a fresh start of
Yeah.
just fresh start. I did pretty good in payouts this year. So next year I'm just gonna see if I can like do way better. That's all.
Yeah, that's always the goal, bro. Always go. Your MSTR is fucking rip sticking, dude. Up 6%.
Yeah, no, this shit's going crazy, bro. I'm
Yeah,
going to
that's
hold it. It doesn't expire until I'm borderline thinking about starting like a little swing leaps channel in my shit, but I don't know. I'm still learning it, so I don't want anybody to like
yeah. That's the hard part. Is
copy trade it.
people will take those signals blindly, dude. And when I don't know, I've tried signals a couple times, and there's number one, I'm not a fan of them because like when you're wrong, you not only lose money yourself because you're in the trade, but you also like potentially had someone else lose money, and that doesn't feel good. It's like, obviously
Yeah.
it's everyone's own decision to take any, it's not financial advice, never financial advice, but it's up to their discretion if they want to take that type of play. But I don't know, just like the pain of like knowing someone else lost money because my incorrect call is not something I like, and it's just kind of painful. So
I don't know. I see the thing is it's like I would sit here and say, okay, I'm going in with 10% of capital, X amount of money, and if they decide to full port that shit, that's on them.
for sure, that's usually how signal chats work for a lot of people. And like, I'm sure this happened to you back in the day. This happened to me back in the day. You find a signal chat that starts ripping, and you're like, oh, this is great. And every time you just up the ante a little bit, and then all of a sudden you have that one trade that doesn't work, but you put way too much capital in. And you gave back like 7 trades worth of gains.
Yep.
That used to be me, bro. I used to do that shit all the time. It was my first year trading. Oh my god, I can't tell you how many times I did that, bro.
Yeah.
So
I don't really like the quality of anything that's going on right now.
yeah, pretty slow. It's just, again, dude, it's the same fucking all this movement. Taylor says you should do it, Lawrence. I'd be interested to learn alongside you. Yeah, I mean, I back it. We can create it, bro. We can make a Leaps channel. I think it's good just to post charts in there and talk about it. I'm down because I'm always looking for new Leaps plays, especially as I'm scaling out of stuff.
That's cool.
Damn, Oscar lost 60K full porting fun. Oh my god, is that Chinese company? I think I remember that shit, dude. Only real ones though. Do you remember the fucking coffee company? The Chinese coffee company that everyone traded? What was that shit called? Does anyone remember that in the chat?
No.
There was this Chinese coffee company, and they ended up like having completely fabricated financials. Yeah, Luckin. That's it. Luckin Coffee. Luckin Coffee. Oh my god. That shit was fucking crazy. They ended up having completely fake financials, and like the whole company literally went like exploded and went to nothing. It's everyone in the chat, Luckin Coffee, fucking Luckin, shaking my head at everyone. I hope you guys didn't lose too much on that shit. I know your worst loss, Lawrence, was the Honda Civic shit, where you on Meta, your $24,000 loss, right, or something like that.
Well, that was cash. That's cash, not prop.
Yeah, I know that was cash. Yeah, let's talk about just cash. Your worst cash loss.
Yeah.
That
was 24K. My prop, the biggest prop I've ever lost was 10K each account, so 50K.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, I blew through 10,000. I had 5 50K accounts, all up to 10,000, and I lost that shit. Yeah, so this was my entry right here, but I just didn't like the quality of it, so it's taking off without me. That's probably my play for the day. So I might just go ahead and lock out. Unfortunately, but it didn't give me what I wanted. Like this is so the thing is the 1 minute chart gave me what I needed, right? So I had my little entry model, right? Sorry. I had my little entry model. We got the sweep right here. Boom, 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 boom. Would have entered right there, went for a 2R or at least to Asia highs, which it looks like we're gravitating towards. But I like to depend on the 2 minute chart along with the 1 minute chart. Like the 1 minute chart is just not enough for me sometimes. I've got fucked with that. So if you can see on the 2 minute chart, I need some type of displacement. Like this is just sideways. I don't like counting that. I need a leg down. Like I need actual leg, not sideways. So I
That's
just
in the
I
hard.
wouldn't take
That's
it.
in the hard part too, dude. Is like we haven't gotten a lot of sweeps and goes. Price hasn't been sweeping too much, like displacement wise. You know, it's like it really
Mhm.
hasn't been happening. It's been tough. Haven't been getting it.
Yes. Jordan said, "This is where my body temperature is."
Yeah. Damn, how actually back on the Luckin thing. In all honesty, I drink that shit almost every day now. How? I mean, how's it? You're in Singapore, right? So it must be fucking popping out there. That's crazy. That's crazy. What else we got going on here? UNH getting a little bit of a pop. I mean, those are my only leaps I'm in right now, besides my Apple runners.
There you go. Okay. Well, I'm gonna lock it up. I missed it. I didn't like the quality of it. It's whatever. I don't know. I mean, there's not much I can say about that.
Yeah, it's going straight up, dude. It's just there's not an entry here. What are you gonna do? Chase this?
And what would my 2R would have been? Damn, it would have been all the way up here.
Yeah, it's pretty
It probably
big.
would go. It'll probably go. No, I think it'll go.
It might, yeah. I mean, we should get 900 at least.
Yeah, I
Let's
think it
assume
might
something
go.
like that.
Yep, there you go. It's pumping.
It's pumping, dude.
So this would have been. This was my trade for the day.
That signal on the 5-minute, dude, from news when we double pinned VWAP. And then that 5-minute engulfing bar, that was pretty nice. 96, 54. Yeah. Yep. Well, if that's that, we can shut it down early. I'm cool with that. I can have an early day. I have a fuck ton of calls today. I got a lot going on. We have our team meeting at 12 p.m. Eastern.
Yeah.
And then I got a lot of shit in here, dude. A lot of shit going on. Are you in the boot camp meeting? Are you?
What'd you say?
Are you in the boot camp meeting or no?
The boot camp meeting? No.
Yeah, for the boot camp. Okay, I'll talk to Austin about that.
What boot camp? Oh, for the thing.
For the thing. What's it called? So, all right. Are you gonna lock out? Are you done? I'm gonna hop off. I don't got shit. Obviously,
Yeah, I think I'm gonna lock out because I mean,
or you can wait and take one off stream. Up to you. But I think we'll end the stream. We'll just take that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna press it. Fuck it. This is one of those things where you can't have 1 foot in, 1 foot out when it comes to trading. It's like if you have some type of doubts if you should take a trade or not, then I think you should just go ahead and cut it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and lock out and we'll call it.
Cool. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining. Appreciate you. Mark, thank you. Great win, Tanner. Thank you. I appreciate that. I needed that. So we'll be back tomorrow. Adios.
All right.